Hey guys, I know it's very sunny. So anyway, I just it's already 5 o'clock. Sorry, I started the vlog late, but anyway, yep, it's 5 o'clock. I'm going to this place, Panda Village, near where we live. But anyway, I'm going there because I'm craving for some ice cream or like just sweets. Yeah, so I just got off work. Well, not work. I just got off with, you know, with my new job, or like my new workplace. I know I will be I do receive a lot of whatchamacallit, you know what, let me put you guys in my in the dashboard, no, in the car, I mean, no, the camera mount, so I can, you know, I can talk to you guys properly. Hold on, wait a second guys. So what I'm saying earlier, you know what, I'm just gonna say it while I'm driving in a way home, because I'm here at I'm here at this Panda place, village. Hold up. Yeah, it's a Panda Village. It's an ice cream shop, and yeah, it's ice cream shop because I've been wanting to have the ice cream for so long now, and yeah, I'm gonna go there and check it out. So in a minute, let's just get my stuff together before I leave. So to the place, they have used books here too, which is cool. So I'm just looking for this Panda Village because I park all the way up there. Like you guys can see, I think this is a small village, you guys. It's like an old small village. Look at that. Man, I should have parked here. Where is that? I should have parked near here. They got Mexican grill, cantina, and they got flowers and gifts, balloon. Ooh, I should check that out probably later. Yeah, so it's like a small, it's a Leonard Town place right there. Oh my god, you guys, look at that car. That's a vintage car. If you guys can see. Oh, so this is the place. This is the Panda Village. We'll say fried ice cream rolls. I haven't tried those. And crepes. See. So I got the mango bubble tea. I'll drink that for later. That booba over there. I'm just waiting on my ice cream. So here is the ice cream, you guys. As you can see, right there. It's Oreo and vanilla with marshmallow and M&Ms. So this is the ice cream at the Panda Village. It's really, really good. Oh my goodness. Good. And I can't wait to try this at home. I'm gonna go to the gasoline station first because I'm going to get some gas because I'm running low on gas. And I think right across the gas station there's Chipotle, so I'm gonna grab some Chipotle. I haven't ate Chipotle since forever. So I just found this place actually, and it's really nice out here. So let me just put the whatchamacallit, let me just put the address. Hey guys, so I'm here at the gas station. Anyway, I'll just have to get gas because I'm running out of gas. And what? Okay, I don't know, I'm tripping. So I'm gonna get gas so I can go home. No, get Chipotle and go home because Chipotle is like literally right across the street. So yeah, it's already 6 o'clock. Man, what? Okay, so I'm already done with my ice cream because I ate the ice cream the whole time when I was driving. So yeah, hold up. Hey guys, I'm home. I ate earlier the Chipotle. It was around like not even 20-30 minutes ago. So I ate and I got this is really good. It's the mango bubble tea, something like that. Anyway, I'm just writing some notes, and I'm writing down my schedule and everything. And oh my god, my October schedule is crazy. Like this week of September, no, this last week of September, well, this coming 30th, I will be working until the October 4th. Well, I'm off Wednesday, but I will be straight working from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday for like 7 p to 7 a. What the fuck? 12 hours for 4 days straight, you guys. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I need a lot of powers because this is gonna be a long shift for me. It's literally, well, I'm off Wednesday, but it's like straight 4 days of 12 hours. So from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. like that's it. Anyway, I will fill in the rest of my October schedule and yeah, see from there. And yeah, because I'm at my my MacBook right now. So, and I think after this I'm gonna edit the vlog, like the one when we went to Solomon's Island, and after that, because I have like literally 2 or 3 vlogs that is still not not edited, so I have to edit that. But yeah, if I'm not gonna say goodbye, probably I will see you tomorrow. So I'm just gonna do this work and talk to you guys soon.
Yeah. A little bit.
Right here, I'm good.
Just a little bit.
Careful with the knife. Baby, are you serious right now?
Yeah, I'm serious. That's how you do it.
It's just...
Did I do it wrong? I'm not done.
I think it's... yeah.
I'm done. You're right.
Okay. Here. What is this egg thing? Look at
That's
that.
what it is, exactly.
This egg. Where's Eggy at? Oh, baby, look at it.
She was right here. Iggy was right here. Hey, grandma.
Where did you got this? Amazon? Or the actual Dell website?
Actual Dell.
Okay, so he got this at the actual Dell website. I'm really bad at this.
That's not good, girl. I mean,
Don't show you my face. Don't.
Baby, how can you be bad at this?
Okay, just
when
yeah, do it like
what
that.
we're doing.
Okay, you guys.
This is a brand new Dell.
It's a brand. Okay, it's a brand new
You gotta put
Dell.
the model on there, baby.
Right there, it
Right
has the
Let me see
start
if I see
guide.
it. I can't see.
Here, let me just flip that open right there.
Oh, perfect.
Flip it. There you go. So this is the flip, or like the not the flip, but this is the quick start
It's
guide.
around $5,000.
How much did you pay for it?
But about $1,000. But I also bought a VTC or whatever it was.
And this is the charger that comes with it.
That's a regular charger, but I bought something different because.
Yeah, make sure that one frame. So that's in the box. Oh my god, this is. Woo! Oh my goodness, crispy. You wanna take it? Take it to go?
Go ahead.
Look. So.
Oh, that's nice, baby.
I know. I'm not really a Dell person, so you do it. You explain it.
But I got a really good.
How do you? So it's it has a whatchamacallit that? You can put it like that to make it.
I'm gonna show you guys exactly. Is it focusing?
Oh, you gotta plug it in?
Yep. Well, you have to give me the model and the make and everything so I can tell them.
Okay, so this is
16 gigabytes.
Okay, 16 gigabytes.
2018. It's around 5,000.
Okay.
As you can see, the monitor looks really huge, but you can see an outline here. So you can get about what it is when I show you when we turn it on.
It's 15-inch, right?
Yep, it's about a 15-inch.
15-inch.
It's a multi-mode hinge.
It's Core 7.
One device. You can actually turn it like this. And put it like
oh my goodness! I didn't know that.
Yeah, we need to redo this over, but you can do it like a regular tablet, or you can turn it into a movie.
Shut up.
Movie thing, like this.
You got a bougie laptop. My
watch
MacBro is, I don't know.
Yeah, it's bullshit.
Did you just say my MacBro is bullshit?
And then it has supposed to be a really good touch pro, right? I mean, a touch system right here. HDMI and a full 15.6 full display. Even though with the size right here, they get a 15.6 because I was kind of disappointed from this back. We have to show them that later. But regularly, it comes with a USB on this side. It's like a SD, which is good. Actually, is that
There's two
USBs.
And then the HDMI.
Some of them are pretty
and that's the headset, or like
was,
the, I think this is the headset, and then this is the charger. I don't know.
Yeah, this is the HDMI, this is the headset, and this is, I'm guessing, the charger. Yep, that's the charger. Nothing on the back, which is good, and the speakers are on the front, which is awesome because on my old Inspiron, it just did not do that, and I always had to tilt my head forward. Even
okay,
more.
Okay, this is too much.
Good.
Put it down. Turn it on. So I'm just trying to set his laptop, you guys. By the way, it's so pretty. It's brand new, and I think the start button of the game. Get out! Hey, get your tail, girl. You. Okay, screwed over a little bit, girly. There you go. I just want to see. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that, but right, this is too much. Right there. Okay, focus. See, that's the power button right there. So I'm just gonna wait for him because they're asking for like an email address to sign into the Microsoft. And but overall, this laptop is the bomb. Hey guys, forgot this bag at my car, but I went to Sephora earlier, and because I've been wanting to buy this toner, and it's from I don't know, I can't pronounce that, but yeah, this is the Balancing Force Oil Control toner, and I believe this is $26. So I just got two stuff from Sephora, which is this toner from that brand, and second one is this Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Ebony. This is the first time that I got a Brow Wiz from Anastasia, because I've been buying the brow definer, and this is the Brow Wiz, and this is $21 and this is $26. So that's just it for this mini Sephora haul. And guys, I went to BJ's and I picked up this Dove soap, a body wash, and I also got a Garnier Sleek and Shine Purifying Conditioner, and I also got a Dove invisible spray. This is for my underarm. So yeah, I got these 3. No, actually I do have cotton balls. It's still in my trunk, so I have to get that now. But yeah, I didn't vlog BJ's because I just picked 4 things anyway. So yeah, that's what I got. Hey guys, it's another Ulta haul again. I know, I'm sorry. So I went to Ulta and I was just curious about this elf soothing aloe mist right there. I don't know why I'm into aloe, but yeah, that's right there. And then next one is I got another blush again from Anastasia. I know I showed you guys the blush, but that was the cocktail party. The shade was the cocktail party, but this one is in pink passion. So I don't know, I'm really into blush these days. I'm just like, can't explain it. But so that is the shade pink passion, and it's the blush trio. Ooh, shoot. Right there, the shade, it's just so pretty, so pretty. Okay, and it has mirror with it. I really love the packaging as well. I mean, you can never go wrong with black. Next one is this L'Oreal Blend Artist, because I was curious about this, so I'm just like, you know what, let me just get one of these. And it's like the sponge. So, and then the next one is this Bare Minerals. This is my first ever Bare Mineral product, I believe. Yeah, and this is the lipstick in the shade, hold on, Hype. So I just love how it looks in like the color, since it's fall. So that's how it looks like right there. I don't know, it's not focusing, but that's how it looks like. Come on, camera, focus. Right there. But yeah, that's just how it looks like. Hype. And then last in this Ulta bag is this Kat Von D. This is the color correcting eyeshadow primer, and this is the shade medium. Hold on, right there. Uh-oh, sorry, it's kind of right there. It's so nice. And again, can you guys see? But yeah, that is it for that. Is it for this quick mini haul again? Another mini Ulta haul, and I think I showed you guys earlier the Sephora makeup that I got to. But yeah, that's for today's haul.